Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the automation, FA7024CB, by CAME for swing gates. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals and a Phillips screwdriver. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module, the fixing bracket, and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Unscrew the two screws that secure the transformer, position the fixing bracket, and retighten the two screws to lock the bracket and transformer. Insert the green power module into the mounting bracket. Disconnect the two transformer cables from the 230-volt power supply terminal block. Connect the transformer cable to the L1T and L2T terminals of the terminal block provided. Insert the transformer cable into the module, and in the position indicated. For easier wiring, remove the 230-volt power terminal block and connect the two wires of the cable supplied. Reposition the 230-volt power terminal block, and insert the cable into the module, in the position indicated. Using the second cable provided, connect the green power module to the electronic board via the STB terminal block. Verify that the F60 function is correctly set to the value 2. Access with the Enter key and scroll through the menu until you reach the F60 function, then press Enter again to check the value. If the F60 function is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware. Use the CAME key and the Setup app to update. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the power LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.came.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing CAME for your automatic gate.